Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the radio button. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is basically to add a new radio button on the form. So this radio button is quite similar to a checkbox, but the difference is that we can only select one. So you guys should use this with caution. Okay, you guys need to remember what exactly this does. So we need to add several of this. So let's copy and paste. So the main takeaway here is that we're gonna have two options, and we can only select one of those from the three of them. So the first one's gonna be low, medium, and high. So we got these settings. You guys can see that they are very intuitive. So you guys can see that we can only select one of those, but this is the point of this component, of this object. We can only select one. So let's just add a button called validate. Let's come back here at this button. Let's add the text validate. Okay, let's double click it, and we need to add some logic here. Let me see. There's many ways that we can do this. So string setting equals string.empty. Let's go back. String.empty. So if written button select checked equals true. So setting equals low. Okay, we could do this. Else if written button 2.checked equals true. Let's do setting dot equals medium. And finally we could assume that if there's no other statements, that setting is going to be equals high. Okay, we could take that assessment and let's show just a message dot show setting. Okay, so let's execute. So you guys can see that I select, and if I choose a different one, I should see different settings, as you guys can see here. So this is just the main thing here. There's not much to it. You guys should pay attention on how to use them. The main thing here is that you need to write a lot of code, as you guys can see here, and I think you guys could select the first one, right? The first one to be enabled. But that's a content to another video. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.